There is a terrifying hadith, beautiful but terrifying, that Muawiyah, may Allah be pleased with him, said that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam once said, the people of the scriptures before you were divided into 72 sects. All of them are in hell except one. And your ummah, this millah, this religion of Islam, they will divide into 73 sects, all in hell except one. The companion said, which one? So that we can join them, so that we can be with them. The Prophet said, it's the main body, al-jama'ah. In another narration, it is those who follow my footsteps and the footsteps of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. When you look at this hadith and you see that we have 2 billion Muslims, and you try to analyze why are we being so defeated, humiliated, looked down upon, you realize that the 2 billion Muslims have divided into 73 sects. Now, who among these sects is upon the footsteps of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions? Why have they differed? Is it because one is Hanafi, one is Maliki, one is Shafi'i, and one is Hanbali? No. These are fiqhi differences. Whether you put your hand here, you put your hand here, you don't put your hands at all in salat. It's a fiqhi issue. Doesn't qualify you to go to hell. So what is the problem? The problem is in Aqeedah. These 72 sects entered hellfire because their deviation in Aqeedah. So what is Aqeedah? Because if knowing Aqeedah means that you will enter paradise, this is your core belief. Without it, there is no paradise. How many of the 72 sects pray, fast, make umrah, do hajj, give zakat, and maybe pray night prayer, but they are in hell? A'udhu billah. I pray to Allah that me and you are not among them. Wallahi, it's a big problem to live all these years believing in the wrong beliefs and ending up in hellfire. It's a tragedy. So what is Aqeedah? Aqeedah is the firm belief in Allah, in His angels, in His scriptures, in His messengers, in the day of judgment, and in the predestiny or the divine decree, whether good or bad. It's the belief, your Aqeedah, in the truth that was mentioned to us in the Quran and in the Prophet's teaching, alayhi salatu wassalam, which constitute the fundamentals of Islam, and anything of the unseen that Allah tells us about, we believe. This is your Aqeedah. Now, the people of innovation, the deviant sects, hate the word Aqeedah, and specifically, they hate the word Tawheed. Anywhere in the world, you go and say Tawheed, they would label you Wahhabi, you're Salafi, you're this. I didn't say anything, I just said Tawheed. Tawheed is mentioned in the Sunnah of the Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam. They feel that it goes against their deviant belief, because when you say Tawheed, you follow the way of the Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam. You believe in the Quran. And this is what they hate the most. Sahl ibn Sa'd al-Sa'idi, may Allah be pleased with him, says, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, and this hadith is classified as the highest in authenticity. It is mutawatir. All the hadiths that speak about the pool of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasallam, they are the highest in authenticity. So the Prophet said alayhi salatu wasallam, I will reach the pool ahead of you. So the first one to reach the pool, Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. What is the Kawthar? It's the glad tiding from Allah Azza wa Jal. It's the river, it's the pool where if you were to ever drink from it, you will never become thirsty. I am the first one to reach ahead of you to the pool. He who comes to me will drink, and whoever drinks will never thirst again. Ya Rab, ij'alna min alladhina yashrabuna min Hawd al-Nabi alayhi salatu wassalam. Make us among those who drink from that pool. And whoever drinks will never thirst again. There will come to me some people whom I will recognize, and they will recognize me. I know them. They know me. We look alike. They look like from my ummah. I can recognize them. Then they will be prevented from reaching me. They will be prevented from drinking from the pool. They will be stopped by the angels. So I say and object, they are from me. But it will be said to me, you do not know what they introduced after you were gone. So then I shall say, away, away with those who changed the religion after I was gone. Ya Allah. Look at those deviant sects. Look at these people who think they're worshipping Allah Azza wa Jal. How deviated they are. They will be rejected on the day of judgment from the Prophets alayhi salatu wasalam. And the Prophet will say, away, away. Suhqan, suhqan, bu'dan, bu'dan. The Prophet doesn't want to do anything with them.